Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me today. Let's jump right into our video and see what we can create. I'm working on a 9 by 12 canvas that I've already put down a base coat of Artist Loft Floor Acrylic White, and I want to attempt to do what is called the ninja swipe. I watched Sarah Mack on her channel do one, and of course hers was gorgeous, but I'm going to try this and see if I can do it. So what you do is you start with puddle pour different colors and then swipe it with a tool across the canvas and see what happens. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the colors of Flow Acrylic Black, and this is Artist Loft. All of my paints are mixed with Floetrol and a little bit of water for consistency. And next I'm just adding some more Flow Acrylic White. And then this is Artist Loft Light Magenta. And next I have Artist Loft Dioxinne Purple. Some DecoArt Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold and Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. And then I'm going to repeat the same colors, just a little bit more. So she used in hers a much wider plastic tool that gave her a wider swipe, and but I don't have anything like that, so I'm just going to try to use what I have and see if that works. She had some fantastic cells that came up, and since this is much smaller canvas than what she used, I'm using this smaller little spatula thing. Oh yeah, the other thing is she covered the front of it with another layer of the white. Only I think she used black for her base. So I'm not really sure that she's going to appreciate me naming this a ninja swipe. See if what I can do with this little bit wider one. Well, it kind of went further, but I'm not crazy about these little speckles over here. But let's see, let's tilt it a little bit. I'm already getting a little bit of cells, and I do like that. And I like the negative space with it. But let's see what we can do. Maybe stretch this out just a tad, and then torch it a little bit and see what happens. Maybe bring up some of those other colors. I like it, I think. What do y'all think? Is this a keeper, or should I pour over it? Let me know in the comment section below, and I may try this technique again. But for now, I want to thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this, please click like and share. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I also want to remind you that tomorrow, Friday, September 20th at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, I will be doing my 500 subscriber giveaway. So please join me back here tomorrow, and let's draw some names and find out who gets what. Okay? Thanks for watching, y'all. Hope to see you in my next creative escapade. Bye-bye.